So for activity 10C, you work for Nana Pat's board yard. It makes and sells small boats. You have been supplied with the physical ERD and the data files, which is you have one CSV file which is called NB boat, another it's called NB customer CSV file, and the ERD is already here given to you. So what we need to do, we need to study those source files, these two files, and we need to, based on it, create our database in the Access database. So let's say these are the two files. I have opened them. They should be supplies. You can find it in the link and you can open it and find those files in chapter 10 folder. Okay, you can see that in the boat one we have boat ID, which is supposed to be supplied for all of them, and then customer ID is supposed to be taken from here, and it is not supplied for all of them. And then we have the make of the boat, the type, price, length, year, catamaran, built here, boat, and then whether it is when it is bought and when it is sold. So let me check. Whenever it is sold, you will see there is a customer ID. So customer ID only put in case it is sold, and that specific date will be mentioned. Okay, the another file, which is the customer, you will find all the 4 customers with their first name, last name, phone numbers, email, and how much discount they are getting. So we need to link these two files. You will find that there is a customer ID here and over here customer ID. So this will be probably, mostly, yes, this will be for sure the link between the two tables. The thing you need to be careful here that not to enforce the referential integrity, because not all of them are containing customer ID. So here we're just going to connect it without. So we're going to import the two files simply in the same way that we have been always importing the CSV file. Just go to the import to the text file and import those two files, and then let's come here to each file and check their data types for each field. So make sure that, let's start with the boat. Let me start with a simple one, customer. You will find there is short text. It's based on the question paper, so you need to make sure according to it, to the ERD given to you, and you need to supply the exact field size for all of them. Okay, I have done this already, so you can see this is my main primary key, and over here I had all the sizes supplied. And then let's go to the boat, next one, and you will find I have the boat ID, the customer ID, and then I have the make, type, and then the price supposed to be in currency and set it to two decimal, the length, and then I have the year as well in number. Then catamaran, it's supposed to be yes and no, and built here also yes and no. Sold and bought, supposed to be both in short time. Okay, in customer, if you want to put the mask also here for 12 numbers separated with 6 numbers with a space, that can be also added. Okay, after that, let's go and make the relationship. For the relationship, whenever you're going to create the relationship, make sure you do not apply the referential integrity, because some of the customer IDs are not applied to all of them. So do not do it, and then okay, save it, and that's all for this activity. Let's move to the next one.